So I got this PNG from Etsy, and when I printed it, I found out it was a little too pastel-y for my taste. So I'm going to show you how to deepen the colors. Now I've tried doing this in Silhouette Studio by bumping up the saturation, but it just doesn't seem to work well. And so I've had to try to find a workaround so I could still do a print and cut. So you're going to use the file and print just like you normally would, but this time you're going to save it as a PDF. Now I know this is a pain, but this is the way it works. Bring it into Photoshop and hit it with a curve right in the middle there, and you're going to see the colors are going to go really deep. And there it is. I mean, that's how to do it. Now don't worry that the registration marks are not going to read, because they are, as long as you don't manipulate the original Silhouette file at all. I'm even going to laminate this full laminating sheet so you can see that nothing is going to happen. I put this in, it's reading the registration marks, no problem. It's going to cut like normal, even coming from Photoshop, and they're perfect. So you don't have to worry about that. And as you can see, the colors are deep. There you go. Well, I hope this helped you. And if it did, think about liking and subscribing. I'm going to be posting a ton more tutorials, and we can learn and grow together. Alrighty, well, have a great one. Talk to you soon. Bye.